Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to find privacy protection. Here we have to find special permissions and find the option which is called install unknown apps. And as you can see right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course you can change it, just find the option, the app you'd like to allow and tap on it. Then let's tap on the the switcher. And as you can see we've got this warning that you have to be really careful with granting that kind of permissions because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put, unintentionally of course, your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and be careful, simply. You have to tick this option that you're aware of possible risks and tap on OK. After getting back, you can see that Gmail, in my case, right now is allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, so just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And you can remove all previously granted permissions. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. So, as you can see, the Gmail is right now not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.